IP addressing. IPv4 addresses. Binary is a numbering system that consists of the numbers 0 and 1 called bits. In contrast, the decimal numbering system consists of 10 digits consisting of the numbers 0 to 9. Each address consists of a string 32 bits divided into 4 sections called octets. Positional notation. Positional notation means that a digit represents different values depending on the position the digit occupies the sequence of the numbers. So these are the example of positional notation. You can see the positional notation. Next is the binary to decimal conversion. To convert a binary IPv4 address to its dotted decimal equivalent, divide the IPv4 address into 4 8-bit octets. Next, apply the binary positional value to the first octet binary number to calculate accordingly. So these are the example of the binary to decimal conversion. Next is the decimal to binary conversion. These are the steps on how you convert decimal to binary conversion. Write down the decimal number, divide by 2, write the result underneath, write the remainder on the right side, divide the result of the division by 2 and again write down the remainder. Continue dividing and writing down the remainders until the result of the division is 0. The most significant bit MSB is at the bottom of the column remainders. So these are the example, the successive division by 2, and this will be the remainders, MSB, LSB, and MSB. Network and host portions. The bits within the network portion of the address must be identical for all devices that reside in the same network. The bits within the host portion of the address must be unique and identify a specific host within a network. If two hosts have the same, the subnet mask is IPv4 address, subnet mask, and default gateway. Unique IPv4 address of the host used to identify the network host portion, and the default gateway identifies the local gateway, local router interface IPv4 address to reach remote networks. Logical and illogical AND is one of the three basic binary operations used in the digital logic. The other two are OR and NOT, and while all there are used in data networks only and is used in determining the network addresses. So these are the example of logical. The prefix length, then the prefix length is the number of the bits set to 1 in the subnet mask. It is written in slash notation, which is a followed by the number of bits set to 1. Therefore, count the number of bits in the subnet mask and prepend in the slash. So that's shit. This will be the example. Static IPv4 address assignment to a host. A host can also be configured with a static IPv4 address such as shown in the figure. Assigning host static IP addresses is accepted in small. These are the examples of static assignment. Dynamic IPv4 address assignment to a host. This will be the dynamic assignment. As shown in the figure, a host can obtain IPv4 address SIG information that DPACH provides. IPv4 communication. A host successfully connected to a network can communicate with other devices in one of three ways: unicast, broadcast, and multicast. The process of sending a packet from one host to an individual host as shown in broadcast. The process sending the packet from one host to all hosts in the network shown in multicast is the process sending it from one host to selected group of hosts, possibly in different network as shown in unicast transmission. Unicast transmission is used for normal host-to-host communication in both a client or server and peer-to-peer network. Broadcast transmission. Broadcast traffic is used to send packets to all in the network using the broadcast address for the network. With a broadcast, the packet contains the destination IPv4 address with all ones as transmission. Multicast transmission. Multicast transmission reduces traffic by allowing a host to send a single packet to a selected set of hosts that subscribe to a multicast group. Public and private IPv4 addresses. Public and IPv4 addresses are addresses which are globally routed between ISP routers. Special user IPv4 addresses. There are certain addresses such as the network addresses. The legacy of classful addressing. Internet IPv4 addresses were assigned using classful addressing are defined in RFC 790 assigned numbers, and the RFC divided the unicast strangers into specific classes: Class A, Class B, and Class C. Assignment of IP addresses. For a company or organization to support a network host such as web servers accessible for the need for IPv6 with an increasing internet population and a limited IPv4 address space issues that NAT and Internet of Everything that times has come to begin of transmission of IPv6, IPv4 and IPv6 coexistence. There are migration texts that can be divided into three categories: dual stacks, tunneling, and translation. So, hi guys. We're now on chapter 7. Okay, chapter 7 na tayo. And I hope you won't get tired of watching my videos. There are still more videos to come this day. I hope just please subscribe there, and I hope you will find this. Guys, we're down to chapter 7 summary. I hope I'll finish this video until the end. Fighting, guys, fighting. So here now, we're down to chapter 7. And that's a wrap, guys. Thank you for watching chapter 7. See you in my next video. Bye!